IUPixel. If you would have purchased on the 23rd IUPixel, they were 2 cents, right? And now they went up to 0.032. So they're up 0.03 from a week ago. If you bought $100 of Pixel on the 23rd, you would have had 3,460 Pixel tokens, and it would be worth $111 today. So again, everything's bouncing back up. And again, if you know anything about what's going on, it's how the market is. You know, everything built on Ethereum. You see Ethereum going up. It kind of is obviously the marketplace that we are built on. Makes a difference. That's why we want to talk to Dr. Leon on what's going on with this. There are 398 Pixel token holders. It's up again, just like a Wafu 3. So there's 395 up from 395 holders from last week. IUPixel has a total market cap of $7,475,000. The Pixel total market cap is up $894,000 from last week. So everybody's making a nice jump in a nice game. Today, July 30th, IUPixel announced the winner of the first NFT championship, and it's official, is MimsCrypto. Congratulations, Josh. You're awesome, man. Everything that happened, you the man. I'm glad of how everybody kind of got to know each other, and just, you know, it was a great thing, man. So congratulations to you, MimsCrypto. Huge thanks to all the NFT community for your amazing support on the first IUPixel NFT championship. And that was what it is. And altogether, 0.4 ETH was given out. So very cool, you know, especially since ETH has gone up, man.
And that was to I'm gonna jump in here and do a little piece on this myself, because I was part of Austin's shows last week and this week, and we were running a lot of competitions to spark the engagement, and we gave away a lot of stuff last night. So I'm just going to throw up a couple slides, because there I'm showing Austin's intro, and there are the two NFTs that battled out. Austin put up some of his own money, or M2, to bolster engagement. And Robin Lucas was one of the commenters on that video, so she won the spinning wheel there. And then we were doing some spinning last night, and we have Rymael won, and then Russell Crowe won again, and then Kate was a winner of some odds. And then decimal points matter here, Ray, because this is not 0.01 ETH, it is 0.1 ETH. So that's a $230 win there.
That's great.
And that's my boy Harry, who I made him watch the show. I said, get on there. We're giving away stuff. You got to comment and everything. So he got in there, which was great. And then Greg Johnson won the other one. So these guys, I marked it down at that. And then when I went to look at the winnings and start to pay out, I said, wait a minute, that was supposed to be 0.1. So these guys are bigger winners than they thought they were. And of course, I delivered that message personally to Harry, so he was real happy.
That's awesome, man. That is cool.
Yeah, it was great stuff. It was a lot of fun, and like you said, it was just the engagement and participation from everybody to make that as big and successful as it was a lot of fun to be a part of. So I know Josh was real happy when he won, but everybody was having a good time. There was a lot more winners than just Josh.
Yeah. Yeah, and for IUPixel, it doubled their audience on Twitter. It doubled their followers. So
yeah,
it is. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. That's exactly what we're going to continue to do, and it's just fun. I mean, all this giveaway stuff. It's just enjoyable, right?